Every morning, Mr. Schuvald leaves here to tour his affiliated offices. Richard discovered this pattern when he was still alive. This firm has grown exponentially as of late. His entire financial group has seen huge growth in profits, and the reason for all this is quite clear. The turnaround began when a certain youth became Schuvald's right-hand man. And here they come now. Schuvald's the older man in the wheelchair. Karl's the young man pushing him. Now look closely.